stator bolt. Used a 19 milliliter. Once you got everything disconnected, move to the front. Put the hoses, heating element wires, and then from there, all you need to do is just take the shocks. 2 springs, and then lift the tub out. Alright, so these new bearings are different from the old ones, but I don't think it matters which way you put them in. But definitely use wood to kind of tap it in slowly. I'm wondering if, you know, like the Whirlpool tool will work, possibly by switching up the, I guess, the end links that will press it in. When I get back to the shop, I'll see if that actually would work.